Welcome to the green hell, the Nürburgring Nordschleife. Actually, for us, it's the green heaven.
Yeah, Nürburgring is just a unique track, most demanding track in the world.
It's our proving ground for all cars, especially for the GT cars. And if you set up a car right on the Nürburgring Nordschleife, it will be quick all around the world.
And that's why we go here, test our cars here, and also try to do good lap times.
Today we're here with the new GT3. We chose the manual transmission this time, which is unusual. PDK most definitely would be quicker, but our little goal is being the fastest manual shifted car on the Nürburgring Nordschleife.
Testing so far has been going well, and track conditions are very good. 12 degrees ambient, 27 track, so I think we should be in good shape. In general, you feel the shorter ratio, gives you a good pull out of all the slower corners, and I think the car is definitely better on bumps and on curbs. You can carry a lot more speed and the car just stays stable.
Great success. We broke the record for manual transmission cars on the Nürburgring Nordschleife by almost 10 seconds.
I was definitely very busy. Compared to the PDK, obviously the driver has to do a bit more work, but I really enjoyed it.
We are almost 4 seconds quicker than the Gen 1 car with PDK.
The main improvements on the car are on the suspension side, where we really learned a lot on GT3 RS.
It's all that little things that we changed between Gen 1 and Gen 2. The sum of all efforts clearly shows here, great car, great day. Thank you, Nordschleife.